My name is Andy Smith. My brother Rob Smith was killed in a work-related accident with MARTA in Atlanta. So my brother was at work. He's an electrician by trade. With those jobs comes certain risks, but when everybody that you're working with takes care of business and follows procedures in redundancy, everybody's safe. And, it was, I can't remember the day of the week. Like I said, everything was a blur. Maybe a Sunday night or something. He'd driven the employees up. Everybody had gotten out of the truck, and then they had to take the rail car, the truck he was driving off. And he was following the procedures and in the front, and the train at the station that was supposed to already be stopped, they went ahead and it came through, and the train hit the back of the truck, and Rob was in front of it. So that ended up being there with that impact. And it's tough because all people had to do was their job. It kind of boiled down to, I think one person wanted to get off of work early, so he didn't get the confirmation that the rail line was dead. And then the person actually driving the train didn't even turn, and look. One of our biggest concerns was on our end as a family was like, oh my gosh, this just happened. We need to find some kind of representation to make sure that MARTA doesn't destroy stuff. As a brother-in-law, I kind of stepped in to help Michelle and help, guide her in those decisions, meeting with people, driving to meetings with the different lawyers and stuff. Darl was involved from the beginning. The very first time we sat down and we were there, he came in and he was, already knowledgeable of everything. All the stuff that we had heard that had failed to keep Rob safe at work, Darl was already tuned up on. He could already say, okay, yes, the flagman's job was this guy's job was this is what should have happened. It was laid out. He knew what should have happened already. Whereas when we met with some of the other people, they weren't prepared. They didn't know what was going on. They just, I think saw an opportunity where they knew they could win some money in the case, but they didn't come prepared to sit down with us. Sometimes I worry that people change, and that's easy to do because people can be a great salesman. They can sit there and sell it all to you. And then once you sign that line, you're committed to them, and they could change. But I think the biggest thing and the biggest reason I would recommend the Champion firm is that they didn't change. That it was a continued behind your corner with your back. Communication was there. And I really felt like that the extra mile that you want somebody to go for you, the Champion firm's going to go.